Hi, my name is Robert. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the Noco Genius 5 battery charger that I picked up a few days ago. It is supposed to, of course, charge several different types of battery, 12 volts, 6 volts, lithium, AGM batteries. It's supposed to have a repair mode to fix batteries that have possible damage to them, and just give you my experience with using it and what I got out of it and the convenience of having one instead of having to remove my batteries from the vehicle, take them to auto parts stores to get them charged twice a year. If you have your own battery charger at your location and have had decent or good results, especially with the maybe repair restoration feature of your charger, please leave a comment below, maybe the model number, so that other viewers can have some information to make a decision on which one they should purchase. I've had the charger for a couple of weeks now, and I've used it to fiddle and test and charge several different batteries, from a Duralast good battery to a old expired Interstate battery, to a battery that was damaged and frozen and cracked, to a couple other batteries that I had in vehicles. I have, a total of 9 vehicles here at our property. So I was able to fool around with it, test it a few different times, and I'm glad I got a charger here. I don't have to take the batteries to the shop. To me, the repair mode, not so good. I got an average of a 5% recovery on repair mode. So I have a battery tester that actually gives you state of health and state of charge. This thing charged up every battery. However, the state of health on a few of those batteries was low. One of them was 37% or 33%. The highest I could get that repaired from 33% or 37% was up to 44%. Not a big recovery. I would feel good if it was over 80%. Still being down below 50%, I don't have the confidence that that battery would be much service to me, especially if I did something wrong and allowed it to discharge itself, like leave a dome light on or leave the parking lights on for a couple hours or something like that. If you have a battery with a great state of health and a great state of charge, and you leave your parking lights on for a couple hours, you'll be fine coming out starting the car. However, if you got a battery with a low state of health, it'll discharge faster, and it may leave you stranded if you make a mistake. So the repair feature of this was not impressive to me. However, it may save, 10% of the batteries out there. But with my experience with dealing with 5 batteries that I dealt with, it just didn't recover the 3 that were clearly bad battery. I tried, it recovered them maybe 5%. That wasn't that good. Now, this battery here was at a state of health of approximately 93%. So I said, hey, let me run the repair feature on that to see if I could get it from 93% up to maybe 98 or 100%. Well, after running the repair feature on it, the state of health dropped from 93% to 88%. Not good. Don't know if that's something that matters. Still over 80% state of health. However, it did drop. It didn't improve it. So if you got a good battery over 80%, I don't know if you want to run that feature on it or not. And I don't know if it actually damaged the battery, but it didn't improve it. So all in all, I think it's a great battery charger. It charged most of my batteries up in just a few hours. I would say probably 4 to 6 hours. My batteries were charged from maybe 0%, which was reading around 10 volts, all the way up to 98%, 12.8, 12.9 volts, a couple over 13 volts in just a few hours. Great battery charger to have. I don't know how it is as a tetherer. I haven't had it that long. Haven't been using it to tether batteries, but I think it was worth the $70 I paid for it, just with me having multiple vehicles and not having to run back and forth to the auto parts store to get batteries tested and charged and so forth. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.